In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell subscriptions on Sellfy. From start to finish, we'll explore the process of setting up a subscription-based product. So whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this guide is designed to help you navigate the ins and outs of offering subscriptions through Sellfy seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Products section within your Sellfy dashboard. Think of your dashboard as the control center of your operations, where you can manage everything related to your sales. Once there, look for the Add New Product button. This is your gateway to creating something new and exciting for your customers, opening up opportunities to regularly engage with them through a subscription model. Now, when prompted to select a product type, choose the subscription option. Sometimes it might be listed as digital subscription. This choice sets the stage for a subscription-based offering, ensuring that buyers will be billed on a regular basis for the valuable content or files you're providing. Next up, you'll upload the digital file or files that your subscriber will receive immediately upon signing up. This could be the first week or month's worth of content. It's vital to keep in mind that Sellfy's subscriptions are based on content delivery, meaning you'll provide a specific product file that can be updated over time as you release new content. Remember, the key here is consistency and ensuring your subscribers get the value they signed up for. Moving on to setting the product details, you'll want to create a clear and compelling title for your subscription. Think about something catchy and descriptive like Monthly Pro Presets Club. This is your chance to make a strong first impression, so choose a title that captures your potential customers' attention. The product description should be detailed, explaining exactly what they'll receive with their subscription, the schedule for delivery, and instructions on how to cancel if they choose to do so. Once your product details are in place, it's time to configure pricing and billing. Decide on the price for your subscription, keeping in mind the value you're offering. Then, select the billing cycle, whether it be weekly, monthly, or yearly. This cycle determines how often your subscribers will be charged, so align it with your content release schedule and customer expectations. Additionally, you'll want to choose which payment gateways you plan to offer, such as Stripe, PayPal, or both. Having multiple options can make it easier for potential subscribers to commit. For those with varied subscription tiers, you can make use of the variance feature, setting different prices or access levels, adding another layer of customization to your offerings. Finally, once you're happy with all the details and configurations, go ahead and click Save Product or whatever similar button appears to publish your subscription product live. With these steps complete, you're all set to start earning consistent revenue with your new Sellfy subscription.